Do you sometimes feel overwhelmed by the challenges of everyday life? The stress, the pressure from work, personal concerns. How do you stay calm, serene, and in control? Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that's over 2,000 years old, offers some simple yet powerful answers to help you navigate these challenges. Today, I'll share with you 5 Stoic habits that can transform your life and bring you more peace of mind. These habits are easy to integrate, but they'll offer you a resilience and inner peace you might not have thought possible. Let's dive in without further delay, because every moment counts, and these habits can help you right now. The first Stoic habit I want to share with you is negative visualization. This involves imagining that what you have today, your family, your health, your job, could disappear tomorrow. It might seem morbid, but let me explain why it's so powerful. Historical example. Stoics like Seneca and Marcus Aurelius used this technique to keep a clear mind. Seneca, for example, thought about his own death every day. He said that thinking about the end of life doesn't create fear. It helps us live more fully. Why this practice works? Negative visualization helps you appreciate what you have instead of taking it for granted. When you realize that nothing is permanent, you start to savor every moment. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, you focus on what you already have. Practical application. For example, if you're in a relationship, think about how precious it is. Imagine that tomorrow it could be gone. This doesn't mean living in fear, but rather in constant gratitude. Every moment becomes a gift. The second habit is acceptance of the present. Stoics teach us to accept what is, without trying to fight reality. Historical example. Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." In other words, stop exhausting yourself trying to control what you can't. Why this practice works? We all have a natural tendency to resist what's happening, to want to control every aspect of our lives. But the truth is, many things are beyond our control. Acceptance of the present means accepting these moments of uncertainty, setbacks, and even failures. It allows us to take a step back and say, "I'm going to accept this as it is," and move forward. Practical example. Let's say you're having a rough day at work, tasks piling up, things going wrong. Instead of fighting against the day, simply say to yourself, "This is what's happening today. I'm going to accept it and handle it the best I can." It doesn't mean being passive, but being at peace with the unexpected. The third Stoic habit is controlling your thoughts. Historical example. Epictetus again reminds us that no one can make us suffer unless we allow them to. Our thoughts shape our reality. If we believe we're victims of circumstances, we've already lost. But if we choose to see things differently, everything changes. Why this practice works? Our thoughts are powerful. They directly influence our mood, our actions, and even our bodies. If you let negative thoughts take over, everything will feel harder. But if you control your thoughts, you've already won half the battle for inner peace. Practical example. Imagine you receive a negative comment. Instead of reacting immediately, take a pause, breathe, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? You're choosing how to react, and in doing so, you're in control of your own peace of mind. The fourth habit is living fully in the present moment. Historical example. Stoics believed that the past is gone and the future is uncertain. The only thing we can truly control is the present moment. Marcus Aurelius, in his meditations, often urged himself to be fully present in every action. Why this practice works? We spend too much time thinking about the past or worrying about the future, but the true power lies in the present. When you focus on what you're doing now, you find peace. Practical example. When you drink your coffee in the morning, be present. Feel every sip. Notice the details of your surroundings. It allows you to step out of autopilot and appreciate these simple moments. The final habit is Memento Mori. Remember that you will die. Why this practice works? It's not about living in fear, but understanding that life is short. We don't have time to waste on trivial things. This reminder pushes us to take action, to love deeply, to chase our dreams, and to stop procrastinating. Practical example. If you have a project you've been putting off, stop waiting for the perfect time. Take action now, because you don't know how many days you have left. Memento Mori is a call to live fully, not tomorrow, but today. So there you have it. These 5 Stoic habits can guide you to a more serene and fulfilling life. It's not magic, it's consistent practice. But over time, you'll see a real difference in how you think and live. So, which habit are you going to adopt starting today? What's one small change you can make to bring a little stoicism into your life? Every habit, every lesson here is designed to push you forward towards strength, clarity, and action. If you're ready to break limits and build the best version of yourself, hit subscribe. Unlock your power is where real change begins. Don't just watch. Take control. Drop a comment. Take action. And let's grow together.